I had this idea of approaching TBlack and see what their interpretation of a classic Linde Werdelin would be, and kind of have a Linde Werdelin which you then kind of emphasize even more with an outside input.
With my background in freeride skiing and the adventure side of things, and it resonated with me immediately. I had a chance to work on some of these pieces.
The way that we thought about watches, with instruments, for skiing and diving, and having a very sort of personal involvement in what we do, and I can see the same thing with what TBlack does.
There's going to be 10 pieces in each of these models. The Spido Light Monochrome and the Spido Speed Monochrome. And we're super excited to show it to everyone, and we can't wait for you to see it.